Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start on the roof now. Find every hole, rust spot, and loose screw, then mark them so you won't miss one. Put on a harness, gloves, and eye protection because safety prevents delays. While logged in, measure patch sizes and choose a metal patch slightly larger than damage, and get silicone sealant plus self-tapping screws. Once you have parts, clean the area of debris and rust with a wire brush so sealant bonds well. This first step sets the repair quality. Once the area is clean, apply corrosion primer to bare metal so the patch won't fail later. Position the metal patch over the hole and hold it flat. Make sure it overlaps by at least 1 inch on all sides to distribute stress. Apply a continuous bead of silicone sealant under the patch rim, then press and smooth to squeeze out gaps. Fasten with 1/2 self-tapping screws every 2 to 3 inches, and trim or bend any excess to match roof. After fastening, seal each screw head and the patch perimeter with silicone or roof caulk so water can't creep under. Make sure to paint the patched area with a primer-match top coat to protect against UV and further corrosion. Once done, test the repair with a garden hose from below or on the roof, and watch inside for drips for at least 24 hours. If you see seepage, reclean the area to bare metal, reapply primer, and reseal with a thicker bead, then retest to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.